Why schools choose Beehive. A unified digital ecosystem that simplifies operations, strengthens communication, and supports sustainable school growth. Sustainable digital transformation, reduce paper dependency, and support a more sustainable future. Business continuity and resilience, keep learning and operations running anytime, anywhere. Unified school ecosystem, connect all school functions through one integrated platform. Operational efficiency and accountability, improve transparency, control, and institutional performance. Student well-being in school services, support safety, care, and everyday school operations. Secure and meaningful communication, strengthen trusted connections between schools, families, and students.